Hello, and welcome to my office. I heard you are having difficulty in your first period honors calculus class. Don't worry, I am a math wizard and know all there is to know about math. Let's begin with a poem I wrote many years ago. Let me tell you, on my behalf, the difficulties of a graph. With vertical lines and asymptotes, it's often hard to stay afloat. A line or curve of a relation, perfectly aligned in strict formation, approaches the graph the farther it goes. Infinity can't get these two lines too close. Make sure vertical lines cross less than twice. It's really quite easy, but you must be precise. And just when you think that you've had enough, the problems and functions get increasingly tough. Let me introduce you to a thing called rules. Those who don't follow are blatantly fools. Like slope, curve and distance and y-intercept, difficult rules with a simple concept. Another problem, another equation, solve for a slope using derivation. Take the exponent times the coefficient. After all these tips you will soon be proficient. n-1 will finish the process, then you're one step closer to griffing success. You might think deriving is a waste of time, but many things are discovered with a double y prime. X to the third might look like a wave, but that doesn't mean it's not concave. X squared might look like a fin, but do not fret, that's only its min. Then there's a thing called a point of inflection. It's easy to see with a bit of inspection. Take the y double prime and solve for x by setting it to 0. It's not that complex. Some graphs are deceiving, cusps are the worst. Not continuous, not derivable, it feels like a curse. And to find where a curve of a line rises and descends, use the equation of the line of tangent. And now you know on my behalf the difficulties of a graph. Hopefully this will keep you afloat, so I leave you with one final quote. Many have tried and many have failed. Some have retired and some have prevailed. Math is good, don't live under rugs. Have a nice life and don't do drugs.